like 3,000 RPM down the interstate now for like 20 minutes. So that's a pretty good test on a motor for me. Trying to auto-tune it on the way there some more. It has a little bit of like a, I don't know if it's got like a little miss or something. It's like breaking up. I don't know if I need to change spark. I think it's either spark plug wires or something. So I'm gonna probably change the plug wires in it, but yeah, it's so far so good. Headed to work. It's an old street car. That's all.